Who's that out in the kitchen? Blow and blow. The cat and the fiddle. Hi diddle diddle. The cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sport. And the dish ran away with the spoon. How about that? Peter, Peter, pumpkin eater. You're back, Corey?
Yep.
You get blown away.
No. The wind isn't blowing.
It isn't?
No.
Mm-hmm. You want that one?
See the baby? Where's the baby? Is he taking a nap? Baby? Baby? Baby?
Hey, what's that on your finger?
Nail polish.
What's that on your finger there? What's that?
Tell Grandpa Blue.
Blue?
Do you like that sound? When Mommy was little, she used to do that too. You know, those books are almost 30 years old, at least.
They're what?
So those books are almost 30 years old?
They gotta be. I think we had them at the lake house.
Yeah, I used to read them, and I don't remember if you got them for me or not. Look at it. Damn it, Grandpa. Stupid hood. Huh, I don't like it.
You got something on your nose there.
No.
Nose.
Get your belly. Get
Oh.
Now he's mad. He's slammed the
Are you mad now?
Slam the book.
Get your belly. Whoops, that's gonna fall off. Yeah, we'll put this one over here. Where's that other one?
The kitty book does it too, Parker. Yep. What's the kitty say? Get out of my way, Grandpa. Trying to read here. Trying to expand my mind.
outside or in today?
I think he was inside when I left.
Who?
Jake.
Oh. Is that what he was saying?
Yep.
Here. I think somebody's got
Are you ready for a diaper change?
I think he needs it.
Are you stanky?
Did he load it for you?
Because Grandpa said, little boy Blue, come blow your horn. And then Papa went, burp. Ah, you had a big toot. Lifted his butt right off the seat. Didn't you? Rawr.
Where you going, buddy?
Hello? Oh. Are you getting out your diaper? Oh, snacks.
What's that?
You don't need no snacks. You gotta finish your lunch. Thank you, but your lunch is over there.
Oh boy, that hamburger over there looks good.
Can I have a kiss?
Uh-oh.
Say bye-bye.